How to verify location on YouTube TV. Verifying your location on YouTube TV is very simple. Firstly, go to tv.youtube.com, log in or sign up to your account. Right now, YouTube TV is only available in the United States. But once your account is opened, click on your profile picture at the top right corner and select Settings. As you can see here, after you opened your account, you will see an interface like this. At the top right corner, click on your profile picture. From the various options, click on Location. Now here you will see two options, Home Area and Current Playback Area. You can select any of the update option. After which, on the next step, click on Update with Mobile. This way your location can be updated with your mobile. Now on your YouTube TV mobile app, you will see a notification. You just need to verify through your mobile device and that's it. You will be able to verify your location on YouTube TV. So that's all for today. Thank you.